I remember the last time a patient came to me and the conversation was like this. Hello, how are you doing? How can I help you? I have a back pain. Can you describe it? It's a big pain at my back. And then the patient couldn't even continue. He had run short of words until I guided him with a lot of questions. This happens a lot these days. In medicine, the better you describe your symptoms, the better for you. Symptoms are subjective. They indicate the presence of bodily disorder. So for you to help a doctor get a better diagnosis of your disease so that he will give you a best treatment, you have to explain very well your symptoms. Patients that describe well their symptoms get the best out of their doctors. I will teach you how to explain your symptom excellently to a doctor. In this case, we'll use pain. With this information, you'll wow any doctor, especially if you're not reading it from a piece of paper or your phone. SOCRATES is a word formed from the initial components of a longer word. It is used by health professionals to evaluate the nature of patient's pain. This is the full meaning. Site. Where exactly is the pain? What body part or parts are involved? Onset. When did the pain start? Was it sudden, rapid, etc.? Does it come and go? Character. What's the pain like? The pain may be stabbing, cutting, stinging, crushing, etc. Radiation. Does the pain radiate or move to anywhere? Associations. Does anything else happen while you have the pain? Any feeling of illness or physical or mental change that comes with the pain? Time course. Does the pain follow any pattern? Is it a constant or does it happen at a specific time of day? Exacerbating or relieving factors. Does anything change the pain? Does it get better or worse? Severity. How bad is the pain from 0 to 10? In this case, 0 is the lowest and 10 is the most severe pain experienced. For example, you can describe your back pain like this. I have a gradual but intense pain for the last past month. It aches, especially when I'm walking, and moves to the left leg. It increases in the morning and gets better during the day. Each time I take paracetamol, it gets better. As you can see, you don't have to follow the pattern exactly. You will notice that most doctors ask questions using this mnemonic. So you can use the same to make your life easier. It can be used for any type of pain. Never forget Socrates. The name will make your life easier.